Okay, GTS fans, Gauze Garage coming to you from Amelia Island Concourse 2024, and you are looking at a drop dead gorgeous 1969 Dart GTS 383 4-speed, factory all original car, restored back to original factory specs, correct orange, correct chrome valve cleaners, covers, and look at that original radiator. And true to the restoration, you have color keyed steel wheels with the correct 69 wheel caps. Looking in there, you can see it's got the correct steering wheel with the 4-speed. It's hard to see. The owner is not here, so we don't open the cars here. The owner says he has had this car since 1987, and he had sold many Dodge Darts with 340s and whatnot, but this is the one he kept because it is a 383 and a 4-speed. It's hard to see in the interior of the car, but it is very finely done. And here we go. This is one of the engine call out on the hood. And it is precisely here at the Concourse d'Elegance that you'll see cars of this caliber. Very nicely done. Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
You've owned this car since 87?
1987.
Yep. And what did you do to it?
Nothing. Bought a lot of NOS parts.
Okay.
Rebuilt the motor, transmission, had it painted.
Ah, very good. All new lines, the whole nine?
Yeah, the entire car's brand new. All the rubber bushings, brake lines, fuel lines, everything.
Yeah.
It drives like a new car.
Yeah.
Shocks, springs.
Ah, very good.
It's a brand new 1969 Dodge.
And you, like me, said that you had sold a bunch of them back in the day.
I sold a lot, and I kept this one.
What made you keep this particular car?
Well, my first car was a yellow 69 340 Swinger, so that's the long-term attachment.
Very good.
Yes.
And you upgraded to the 383 with a 4-speed, and
yes, I did.
Rest is history, huh?
There you go.
All right. Well, thank you very much for sharing that.
Well,
and
you.
by the way, phenomenal car, sir.
Thank you.
Yep. This is Gauze Garage from Amelia Island Concourse 2024. Thank you.